In this video, I am going to explain how you can elevate your diagnosis and treatment planning with Bazi. It is fast, easy, and fun with the Reveal and Heal app. Fast and easy because it gives us a telescopic and microscopic look into our patients with a click of a button. Fun because it opens up an abundance of possibilities for understanding and treating our patients, making diagnosis and treatment more of an art and a game. There are two options for using the Reveal and Heal app, with time and without time. Treatment planning and diagnostic use are different for each. Without a time, we focus on the daymaster. With the time, we can see the whole picture of a person's constitution. If you don't have a birth time, don't worry. The daymaster is the most important aspect of the Bazi. Dr. Tan said it's 75% of the Bazi. Daymaster treatment includes precise acupuncture prescriptions, herbs, lifestyle guidance, food therapy, and mindful counsel. Let's use this yang water urinary bladder daymaster as an example. For acupuncture, we can use 2 to 3 transporting points alongside our usual treatment. Selecting these points in alignment with the season or to bring balance to the 5-element picture brings the daymaster support to the next level. Additionally, front mu, back shu, or lower he-si points can be added. You can change up the transporting points you use based on the season or for tonification or sedation purposes. Choosing transporting points based on the season can be a la Dr. Tan or simple 5-element style where wood equals spring. Speaking of Dr. Tan, if you are practicing 12 magic points or any of his other balance methods, it works to add the daymaster transporting points bilaterally to whichever treatment you are using. Master Dung Dao Ma groups are also an option for supporting the daymaster. Constitutional herbal formulas, essential oils, or food therapy may be needed, as well as lifestyle advice and other complementary therapies. All are included with the app. When using Bazi with the time, make certain you are getting the time right. It is necessary to adjust the time for solar noon and daylight savings time. Check out the video Getting the Time Right for more information. Now let's look at using the Bazi with time. When we are using the complete Bazi, it is still a priority to support the daymaster. However, now we can also focus on strengthening element and organ deficiencies, balance the organs within an element, and balance the 5 elements using the creation and control cycle dynamics. We have already looked at how to support the daymaster. Next is to strengthen the element and organ deficiencies. Organ and element deficiencies can really guide us to the root cause of disease. For example, the deficiency in this person's Bazi that will most help us clinically is that she has no water element. Treating this deficiency will be critical for optimizing her health. Those with no yin or yang water, the kidney and urinary bladder, will be lacking resilience, especially in the nervous system and brain. It is common for those with no water element to find life in general to be too much. In Western medicine, you'll find diagnoses such as sensory processing disorder, ADHD, autism, post-concussion syndromes, learning disabilities, and psychiatric conditions such as bipolar and panic disorder. Additionally, there can be autoimmune conditions, unresolved viral infections such as Lyme and Epstein-Barr, and nervous system dysregulation syndromes such as POTS. Supporting the water element in every way, especially herbally with adaptogens and kidney strengthening formulas, is important for this woman's long-term health. Of course, acupuncture will be very helpful as well, especially kidney and urinary bladder tonification and urinary bladder channel acupuncture such as back shu treatments. Don't worry if you don't know these associations and solutions. They are all included in the app. Another aspect to balance is the excess and deficiencies within an element. Within this excess earth element, we see an excess in the stomach and a weaker spleen. When this is the case, it is helpful to divert some of that excess to support the deficiency with acupuncture. We utilize the low and source points to do this. To amplify the action, polarity agents may be used, such as gold and silver beads, magnets, or ion pumping cords. Finally, we can look at the balance of the 5 elements. With this Bazi addressing the water-earth dynamic and fire-water dynamic will nudge her system into better energetic harmony. We can shore up the earth-water dynamic using spleen 9 with kidney 3 and stomach 44 with urinary bladder 40. We can cool off the water-fire dynamic with fire points on the water meridians and water points on the fire meridians. All these tables are in the app. This 5-element dynamics worksheet and other treatment worksheets are available at www.reveal-and-heal.com under Practitioner Resources. This is just the beginning of the insight and fun to be had using the Reveal and Heal app. Thanks for watching.